If you like photography or content creation, you probably know that it is necessary to have a drone. But the price of this drone is expensive. Its current price on Amazon is more than $689, and this amount is not available for everyone to buy this drone. But don't worry, in this video we will share with you the best 5 alternatives at the best possible prices. Each of the 5 products you will find their links in the description. First product, Contixo F24 Pro Drones. 4K UHD drone with camera, 90 degrees vertical adjustable experience, amazing 4K drone UHD picture quality and 2.9K video for stunning clarity, deep contrast and vivid colors. The camera with a 120 degrees FOV lens gives a broad view of the memorable moment. Stronger and stable GPS signal. The camera drone can reach live video and image transmission distance up to 1,700 feet. With stronger GPS positioning, can hover stably to catch clearer images and return to home precisely. Foldable brushless motor, comes with equipped brushless motors to ensure a smooth and powerful flight. Easy folding capabilities allow for compact storage without uninstalling propellers after use. Smart and powerful performance, follow me, orbit mode, and gesture control free your hands to take ideal selfies. Point of interest or tap to fly. You can fly it in a directed and custom path using up to 16 waypoints. 30 minutes flight time, equipped with upgraded 2500 mAh intelligent battery provides up to 30 minutes flight time. The package comes with 1 battery, extends your flight time to 60 minutes, 30 plus 30. Drone accessories from drone backpack, carrying case, included. Easy to fly, drones for kids 8 to 12, even perfect 4K drones with camera for adults. And the price of this drone is $249. The second product, Syma X500 4K drone. 2 pieces batteries and 56 minutes flying time. E.X 500 quadcopter offer 2 batteries to give you up to 56 minutes immersive flying experience. Compared with other drones, we offer more flying time to enjoy it. What is more, 250 grams lightweight yet power, 4K UHD camera with 120 degrees FOV and 90 degrees up/down, make your journey more memorable. Excellent camera enriches your vision with new performance and helps to capture greater dynamic range, providing you with advanced high-resolution shots. The wide-angle lens combined with a 90 degrees vertical gimbal movement ultimately allows you to see the world from a greater perspective. GPS auto return, follow me, object trace and custom path. Never to worry to start a drone flying adventure anywhere at your house, lawn or at the world's end. Up to 12 GPS satellites accompany the drone wherever in the world you may be. It traced and automatically follow you, let you focus on the moment, take a good selfie. Besides, it will fly as you want once you set a unique path. Photo and record button with hand gestures. The control range of 2.4 GHz transmitter reaches to 10,000 feet high range. Easy to control the aircraft to record and photo by your hand gestures under the 300-inch distance. Intelligent optical flow positioning system support real-time observe the ground situation. No worries during flying. Eco-friendly remote control without AA battery. It is a good choice as a gift with good value and low price. No need to buy an AA battery, which is more convenient, and also it helps to protect the environment compared with other same function products. And the RC drone with server certifications. More fun, more safe. And the price of this drone is $159. Third product, Holy Stone FPV drone. 4K Full HD 90 degrees adjustable camera with 5G transmission. The upgraded camera, 3840x2160p stored in TF card, with 110 degrees FOV, field of view, lens gives a panoramic view for recording your unforgettable moment. 5G transmission ensures fast and high-quality FPV real-time video from 1640x2600 FDAW, ideals for selfie. Edit and share your new creations to social media with your drone app directly. GPS-assisted flight, with GPS location, the drone can hover stably and automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is lost. Shot with ease when the drone can follow you or fly in a circle along the path you set. 22 minutes max flight time. The high-capacity 2800 mAh intelligent battery yields up to 22 minutes flight time. It also has low power alert. You can immerse yourself in a substantial flight. Brushless motor, it is so quiet but very powerful when running. Working life is much more longer than brushed motors. Maintenance free, which makes your flight more enjoyable. The upgraded quick-release propellers run with higher efficiency. Simple control, quick launch by pressing one key. Quick-release propellers can be set up with no screws. Stable flight while keeping its altitude locked. Easy direction control with headless mode. You can focus on camera control and more complex shots. The 2.4 GHz on the package means the remote controller frequency, the Wi-Fi frequency of the item is 5 GHz. Please read the instruction manual before operation. Most of concerns can be settled down. And the price of this drone is $259. Fourth product. Takako 12S Drones. 4K camera with shock absorber and 5G FPV transmission. 12S is a camera drones for adults. The UHD 4K camera with shock absorption holder enables you to capture UHD pictures 3840 by 2160. The remote-controlled 90 degrees adjustable lens structure allows you to see the world from a greater perspective, and the 5 GHz FPV technology guarantees longer and smooth image transmission. Easy to fly altitude hold makes the drone hover in the air without throttle control. One key takeoff/landing help get the hang of it quickly and easily. Smart return to home free your minds of losing the drone when the battery gets low or it loses signal from the controller. A best drone for beginners. Suitable for beginner flying. 12S drone is equipped with GPS and GLONASS dual mode global positioning system combined with optical flow positioning keeps the drone hover extremely stably in the air both indoors and outdoors. At the same time has multiple flight modes. The beginner mode is suitable for the first unmanned first flight operation for the aircraft enthusiast. Intelligent flight features multiple GPS functions such as follow me, waypoint flight and point of interest enable, free your hands and help you focus on creating beautiful memories. Equipped with a portable travel bag, when on vacation, the whole family can enjoy the flight together. Creative fun. Double flight time and brushless motor. GPS drones for adults, uses high-quality brushless motors that are more high performance and more powerful than other drones, even in the wind to maintain a stable flight. The 2 pieces intelligent flight battery can extend the flight time to 60 minutes. Instructions for use: scan the QR code on the side of the 12S box to download the app or scan the QR code in the instruction manual to download the app. The use environment of the drone should be in an open area and there should be no trees and tall buildings to block the flight. Otherwise, the GPS signal will be affected and the drone will not work properly. Battery charging: please charge the battery with 5V/12A charger. This set does not include a charging plug. You need to bring your own. Charging time, about 5 hours. And the price of this drone is $215. Fifth product. Potensic D25 drone. 2K, 125, 75 adjustable wide angle, wider vision and fluid transmission help to capture clear photos and stable videos. Wi-Fi connection provides fast and vivid FPV image. GPS assist fly, follow me mode and dual GPS. Free your hands while GPS drone automatically follow you, simultaneously capturing all the videos and photos. Beside, Potensic D25 drone will fly as you want once customized flight path function activated. Convenient and easy for beginners. Headless mode, altitude mode and one key to takeoff, land functions make access to kids or beginners easier. Safe auto return, equipped with dual GPS, the drone can hover in air for easy control. It also can automatically return home once you press RTH button, which is effective measures to prevent loss of drone. 2 batteries, 2 modular 1000 mAh batteries can support up to 300 meters control range. You can go farther and see broader. Great drones for adults. And the price of this drone is $149. All links in the description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos.